Welcome everyone to this skincare and makeup 6-channel collaboration. Pictured are all the products that I use on a regular basis. There are quite a few, so I am going to briefly go over my daily routine. Most of the products that I use are from my monthly beauty subscriptions, but I also do like to research aloe vera and lemon and make sure that I do have that in my diet for healthy skin. I'm going to start with my nighttime routine. I like to use the Almay oil-based makeup remover pads, especially for the mascara on the eyelashes. Followed by the Almay micellar makeup remover towelettes, all over the eyes and then all over the face. Then I like to use these disposable makeup cleansing wipes with my balm to wash the face. These wipes are $1 at the Dollar Tree. I'm currently using the Rodeo Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. Cleanses really well and is non-drying, feels great. I alternate my cleansing balm with a cleansing foam day to day because using a cleansing foam on a daily basis is too drying for my aging skin. Now the Jade Roller Set can be used warm or cold, day or night, anytime, before serum, after serum, with a facial mask, however you want to use it. It's good for circulation and for stress. And the larger piece there, the sheet piece, is shaped so that you can push it along your face while you have some type of a mask on to help smooth out the wrinkles and help smooth the serum into your skin. And the same with the other different shapes that you see. They're good for different locations, like under the eyes, the chin. And this one right here with the grooves in it feels great. If you try that with a hydrogel mask on, it really helps massage the serum into the skin. Now, twice a week I use face masks, and what I'm using now is what I've purchased at the Dollar Tree or what I've received in my subscription boxes. So there's tons to choose from, so it's really hard to say which ones are the best or most moisturizing. But this Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask is intensely moisturizing and feels great, especially when you use the Jade Roller with it. This is a Dollar Tree hydrogel mask. Sometimes you get a good one, sometimes you get one that's a little messed up, but if you lay down with it for a few minutes, you should be able to get up and walk around and use the Jade Roller, and I'm telling you, this hydrogel mask is amazing. Now, with or without the facial masks, I use the serums day and night. This is the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. My newest serum is the Earth Harbor Helios. This has so many benefits. It has grapeseed, cranberry, pomegranate, marula, pumpkin, sunflower, jojoba, argan oil, orange, candula. I mean, it's just, and it has like an oil base. It's amazing. I'm using it day and night, all three of the serums together. This one is the lactic acid and alpha arbutin brightening drops. Now I am applying this Bloom Effects with tulips. It says that it has repair and growth regeneration of tissues, although I haven't found any research to back up that it does that in humans, but it's expensive and it does make your skin feel really soft. The Ahava Night Replenisher even works with my oily skin. It deeply nourishes the skin, and it only takes a tiny bit to massage into your skin at night. Now this Ahava is a gel cream. It's lighter, it's ultra sheer, and I will use this during hot summer nights. Now aloe vera is proven to promote eyebrow and eyelash growth and to moisturize all around the eyes, so I put it on generously all over the eyebrows and the eyelashes every night. And then for the crow's feet is the Yes to Avocado, which has hyaluronic acid and avocado oil. It absorbs quickly and it does not bother my eyes at all. Now for the morning routine, I use the cleansing balm with the disposable wipe, a 100% natural witch hazel as a toner on my T-zone, all three of my facial serums in order, and I let each one absorb before I use the next one. And then my daily moisturizer, the Purely's Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, or aloe vera as my moisturizer. Now these under eye and forehead patches by Matykos stay on for about 25 to 30 minutes, and I like to use them twice a week and then take the extra serum and just put it all over the face and let that absorb. In the morning before the toner and moisturizer, I like to use the Matykos Lip Scrub and Mask weekly. The mask is on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then your lips are ready for the day. I like to use the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies in the morning before I wash my face once a week. This is the green mask stick that you see advertised that does amazing things, like it pulls all this dirt out of your skin. Well, it doesn't do that. but it is a nice clay mask. It's non-drying. I like to use it every 1 to 2 weeks. This is a clear peel-off mask. It's $5.99 at CVS. You could probably get it at the Dollar Tree sometimes, and I do like to use this monthly. This is a clear complexion mask with salicylic acid, and you put it on your skin for 5 minutes, and once it's dry, you wash it off. I like to use this every 2 weeks to once a month. This is a Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. You leave it on for 15 minutes, and after it dries, you wash it off, and boy, does your skin feel clean and moisturized. I like to use this one monthly. This Biomiracle Peel-Off Mask really is harsh and rips at your skin. So I like to use it only monthly and just on the nose area because I have oily skin. This 111 skin mask feels absolutely wonderful, but for 6 of them, I think it's something like $135. So I don't use it very often, but if you were to go somewhere and you want your skin to look great and you use this 3 times in 1 week, it definitely would be noticeable. This is a really nice mask, but again, I probably use it once a month, if that. Okay, so this is a facial cleansing beauty device, and it actually is a suction. It comes with 4 different heads and a cord, and I like to use it just around the nose. I don't have the blackheads because I'm up in age typically, but I do still get clogged pores because I still have oily skin. So I use it maybe once a month, just like to suction the nose and around that area, and it opens up the pores so that when I do my serums, my skin is actually able to absorb my serums and lotions that I put on my face. Before I get into the giveaway, I want to give a shout out to the company Labrie. I'm going to leave a link below if anyone wants to check out their products. They are based with aloe vera, and I use the shampoo and conditioner on a regular basis. Awesome. I dye my hair and it doesn't fade my hair as fast now with this shampoo, and my hair looks great. And then also I've tried samples of all of their products, and I literally love all of their products. So I'm hoping that it would be really nice if they were in our subscription boxes, but talking to the company, it doesn't look like that is something that's going to happen in the near future. So that's sad. So I'm going to purchase some of those products as well. They are really, really nice products, but I just don't have all of them on hand to put in this video to show that I'm using them throughout the summer. So let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. Please remember that you do need to be subscribed to all 6 channels. So if I draw a winner who is not subscribed to all 6 channels, I will have to just draw another winner. The first item is the Dominique Transition Palette. It has 15 shades, which is multi-use for eye and face. The next item is the Micellar Cleansing Water, and then the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser by KORRES Kors. Disposable pedicure flip-flop and toe separator set. The next is the Yes to Cucumber 2-step depuffing under eye mask set. Hydrogel face mask with aloe vera and tea tree. Spa Life coffee break facial mask. Dead Sea Minerals anti-stress clay face mask. Grace and Stella anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Matykos anti-wrinkle forehead mask. Matykos lip mask. This is an LA Colors lip duo. It's a gloss and a lipstick in the shade Flushed, and the lipstick shade is just a little bit darker than the gloss. It's tinted as well. And the last item is the LA Colors eyeshadow palette in the shade of Playful. So thank you everyone for joining our skincare makeup products for summer collaboration. What are your summer products you like to use or tips you'd like to share? Please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.